Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Devyn and today I'll be showing you guys a what's in my purse video / organization. I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's like a declutter my purse with me video. If you guys enjoy these types of videos, don't forget to give it a thumbs up so I know to film more of them. And also don't forget to click that red subscribe button if you've not already to become a subscriber to my channel. I greatly appreciate it. And you can also click that post notification bell if you want to get notified every time I upload a new video. And don't forget to follow me on social media. I'm on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. I'll have it on the screen and down below, so don't forget to follow me. But other than that, let's go ahead and get into it. This is my current purse situation. It's a plain black, medium-sized tote, and it has like a green inside of it. You guys can see there. And it has this little black pom-pom on there. You guys, this was from Walmart. So I'm definitely not the designer type. If you watch my channel, I'm all about affordable deals and steals and getting things at thrift stores and stuff. I mean, who doesn't love designer bags? But I personally just don't like to spend my money on those types of things, at least in this point in my life. And so this purse is actually my second one of them. I had this exact same one with the brown inside from Walmart before this, but I had it for like over a year and I just like don't care about it as much, so I just throw it around and throw it on the ground and the bottom of my car and stuff. So it's gotten torn up and I carry a bunch of things in it, so as you can see here it's ripping. I mean, what do you expect? It's from Walmart. And I actually added this little pom-pom onto it. It is from Walmart as well, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take this off really quickly. So yeah, this is from Walmart. I just love a little added accessory there. But yeah, this purse is just had its time. It's ready to go away now. But it's treated me well. If you guys are looking for a tote, I definitely recommend it. I would totally repurchase it, but I'm gonna show you guys the new one that I got. So yeah, we have a bunch of junk inside here. It's a mess. This is a purse that I bring with me to work every single day. And so I have like all my necessities in there. I mean, not necessities, way more than I need in there, but I want to show you guys what's inside there. So before we hop into what's inside of there and getting into the declutter and organization, I wanted to show you guys my new purse. Okay, so here it is, and it's this really pretty rose gold large tote bag. It's so pretty. I absolutely love it. It's definitely larger than my current one, and I think that with all the things that I have in there, a larger bag would be very nice. And it's like this purpley fuchsia color in the inside, which is so cute. It's a really pretty fabric as well. So yeah, I thought the color was really unique. I thought the size was perfect for carrying around at work. And yeah, I just thought it was really adorable. So guys, you want to know where this is from? The thrift store. I know, I got it for like, I want to say like $5 or something like that. And the tag says it's from bodyworks.com. So like I said, I'm not about that luxury life. I think the side purse I have right now is like from like a makeup perk for some sort of beauty company. So like I just like things that are basic and clean looking. Yeah, I thought it was really cute, you guys. Don't underestimate your thrift stores. So yeah, we got tons of space in there and I'm ready to get it all organized and cute. So back to this bad boy. I'm gonna go ahead and just like take out everything, show you guys what's inside, and then we'll reorganize. Alright, so this is the first little thing in here. It's like a mini bag here, and it's this really pretty silver. It actually matches the tote, just in silver rather than rose gold, and it says adventure awaits. This is what it looks like inside, so let's go ahead and grab. I have a mascara because sometimes I'm running late and need to do my mascara in the car or at work. This one I need to toss, so it's really old. I should probably toss it now. This is my blotting powder at work. This is the e.l.f. Translucent Mattifying Powder, one of my all-time favorite mattifying powders. It just really does the job. You don't need anything expensive for that type of stuff. These are also a must-have for me. These are the oil absorbing sheets. These are basically the Target brand for the Clean and Clear oil blotting sheets. Next, I have a little eyeliner. I basically carry little things in here for when I'm running late if I need to basically do my makeup in the car at work or whatever it is. And so this is the Rimmel Scandal Eyes felt tip liner. I I have a little travel size of the Fantasy by Britney Spears. Y'all, I love this scent. And you know, you just want to stay fresh, but I think this is almost all out. Yeah, we're on this last leg here, so I'll go ahead and throw this one away because it's basically all out. I'm so glad I'm doing this video, you guys. I'm like, girl, what are you thinking? This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Lash Primer. This stuff is pretty dang awesome, but I need to go ahead and put that into my empties video. Next, I have this NYC City Proof 24-hour waterproof eyeliner. And this is a great eyeliner, but it needs to be sharpened. So I'm gonna keep this to the side so I can sharpen it. This is gross. I have some used up oil absorbing sheets. Sorry. I have some Orbit gum. This is the Sweet Mint, I think. Yes, Sweet Mint. Don't know why it's in my makeup bag though, but that's staying. This is the NYC liquid liner. Also, I feel like this is expired. Yeah, this stuff is all sorts of chunky now, so I'm gonna go ahead and toss it. I probably need to go ahead and add another one into the makeup bag though. Next is, it's so beat up. It's my Smashbox Full Exposure mini eyeshadow palette. And you guys, this stuff is a lifesaver for when you're running late. These are the shadows that come in it. It's a great little shadow. It's not the best shadows I've ever had, but the size is so convenient. And when I'm running late, basically I just like max this stuff on. Normally I go in with like this shade right here on my finger and just put it in my crease. And I go in with like one of these gold shimmery shades, put it all over the lid, put some mascara on, and if I have time, some eyeliner. So it's always nice to have that on hand. Next, I have my Sugar Rose, what is this? Like a lip, not scrub, not stick, lip chapstick. You guys, look, I just finished this up, I think yesterday. So this is going into my empties, but I loved having this in here. Next, I have this little emergency beauty kit. I got this actually from the Dollar Tree, so it's super cute. It's like nice and sparkly. And it comes with a little cover here, and so you have some nail clippers, some tweezers, some little mini scissors, and a nail file. So it's really convenient. Next, I have a razor. This may be crazy, but I do keep it just in case if I like look down and I miss a spot on my legs, or if I lift my arm up and I forgot to shave or something. I mean, I rarely use this, but I have used it a couple of times. It has been handy when I missed a spot. So I'll go ahead and put that to the side for now. Y'all, I better speed this up. This is gonna take forever. Next, I have my wallet. This is a Michael Kors wallet. I actually have this. It's funny because I was just saying how I don't really have a bunch of designer stuff. I don't, but my sister actually works at Michael Kors, and I got this last year. I believe it was, I got it with her discount, and yeah, it was a great deal. I think it was around Christmas time. Next, I have this little pouch. I got this pouch from Ipsy actually. You can see the little Ipsy on there. Let's see what's inside. So this is like my little emergency kit. So I have a little mini deodorant. This is the Secret Outlast deodorant. I have a little mini thing of ibuprofen, always great when you have a headache or when it's that time of the month. I have a little panty liner. I have a little mini thing of tissues, and I have some little tablets of Pepto-Bismol just because I have a sensitive stomach and I'm semi-lactose intolerant, so it's good to have that stuff on hand. So that looks all good there. Next, I have this little cheetah bag. I've had this for years. I don't even know where it's from. I think it's so cute. And in here is where I keep my lip products just to change it up throughout the day. I normally don't even put my lip color on until I get, or right before I get into work. But I need to go through them because I don't need this much in here. Next, I have this little mini notebook. I still think it'd be handy just in case I come up with like a video idea or need to remember something. I think this is really cute. I believe I got from the dollar store. It's just this mini gold, and it says Dream Big, which is so cute. This is a body spray, and it smells really good. It's by Body Fantasies, and it's Pink Vanilla Kiss. It smells so good, you guys. Next, I have my glasses, which I don't use enough. I really need to start using them more at work because on the screen, my eyes can get very strained. They're by Burberry. What do you guys think? Do I look dumb? Do I look stupid? Do I look smart? Comment down below. Next, I have some sunglasses. They're like all the way on the bottom, so they're all nasty and dirty. I think these are so cute. I believe they're from Target. Cute or what? Next, I have my checkbook. You never know. Next, I have an iPhone charger. Definitely need that when your phone is running low. I have this little sunglass case, so I'll put these in here. Next, I have a full-size deodorant, and that needs to go back into my bathroom. Next, I have another little mini hand sanitizer. Next, I have a hairbrush that's dirty, and I need to clean off this hair. I have one of these little twisty hair ties. I'll keep that. I have some Altoids, as well as this little liquid breath mint. Next, I have one of these Sephora mirrors that you get when you get a gift card. But this is a new one. It still has little paper in there. Oh, this is a good mirror. So yeah, the rest of the stuff inside of here is just trash. So it's pretty yucky in there. I'm a little ashamed, to be honest. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this whole thing away. So long, Walmart purse, you did me well. So obviously my wallet goes in here. I think I'm gonna go ahead and combine my just lipsticks in the makeup bag. I don't need a whole separate thing in here. So I'll go ahead and toss that in here. I'll toss the notebook in there, my reading glasses and sunglasses, my checkbook. I think I'm gonna put my body spray, deodorant, Batiste dry shampoo all in that one. That way this one is a little bit more roomy and I can put my hair tie and my little fresh breath in there. I have this little gold sparkly case, which is so cute. So I'll go ahead and put my iPhone charger in there and be all bougie. Should probably put my headphones in there as well. Decided I'm gonna put my Altoids, my gum, and my little fresh mint thing in there. Because why not? I also have this cute little clutch that my sister got me that I like never use as a clutch, but I think it's so cute. It has my monogram on there. So I just packed a few of those other clutches in here. That way it wasn't too many things going on inside. And what's really cool is this bag actually zips up, which is super nice because normally I just have my stuff hanging out. Okay guys, so it is finally finished. It is so cute. I'm in love with it. And when you open it, it's so clean and organized. I'm super happy. So again, I have all of my makeup and lip products in there. My iPhone charger and my work badge in here. I have my sunglasses and eyeglasses both here. My wallet, brush, little emergency kit with like my pads, and I need to add a tampon in there and things like that. And then I have this clutch which holds all my random stuff. So I have my little notebook, my checkbook, I have, what is this? All like my mints and gum, and then I have this one that has some more hygienic things in there. And that's it, you guys. Way more clean and organized than when I first started this video. Okay guys, so that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that post notification bell and follow me on all my social media platforms. That was so satisfying, going through everything, decluttering, getting rid of stuff. I have a lot of stuff I need to add to my empties bin, some stuff I need to put back away, and I just feel so much better. Let me know in the comments down below what is your must-have in your purse. Maybe it was something that I already showed you in here, or maybe it's something different that you like to have as a backup. I'd love to know. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.